Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get mattress stains and the urine smell out of mattresses. So lo and behold, we are potty training. She's actually doing really good, but last night of all nights I forgot to put the mattress cover, waterproof mattress cover, back on because it was in the laundry. So you better believe that I ran to the store this morning and got another waterproof mattress pad. So when one is in the wash, there is going to be another one on this bed. And so it hasn't stained yet. As you know, I just got this mattress. It is brand spanking new, if you know, because I just did my bunk bed video and I just bought this mattress for it. And I was like, no! So there's this concoction I'm going to be using. And it is in this bottle. I've seen it on a couple different sites, videos, because I wanted to know what I could do. Some of them use vinegar. I did not want to use vinegar because vinegar has a lingering smell, and I don't care if it went away eventually, I did not want vinegar on my mattress. And so this one, it uses baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and Dawn, and I suggest that you always get a new bottle if you're doing a different concoction and write and label what is on that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be, from what I understand, is you just spray this on, and I'll show you the measurements that I put in this really fast. So now that you know the measurements and can make your own, let's get started. And oh, also we're going to vent this air out. Let's be real, I'm just going to do this. Okay. Now that it is all sprayed on the mattress, we're going to let it completely dry. So keep this room off limits, keep the windows open and ventilated, and when it's dry, we're just going to vacuum it up. Hey guys, so it's completely dry, thank you to my lucky fan. So I'm just going to vacuum it real fast, and then we'll do the smell test. Okay guys, so I just finished vacuuming, and so let's smell it and we'll see if there's any urine on it. Are you ready? No, it smells so good. Like fresh. So it worked. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!